In today's digital age, e-commerce platforms like Shopify and TikTok Shop are reshaping the way we do business. These platforms are not just websites where transactions occur, they are dynamic marketplaces that have transformed the very essence of shopping. They have broken down geographical barriers and made products accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform, has empowered businesses, big and small, to carve out their online presence, while TikTok Shop, an offshoot of the popular social media app, has seamlessly integrated shopping into the entertainment experience. They have revolutionized not just how consumers shop, but also how businesses reach out to their customers, opening up new avenues for growth and expansion. These platforms are more than just tools, they are catalysts of change, driving the future of retail. In the landscape of e-commerce, Shopify and TikTok Shop have emerged as dominant forces, each with its unique offerings. Let's delve into some numbers to understand the impact of Shopify on the e-commerce industry. Shopify boasts a user base that's grown exponentially, now surpassing 1 million merchants worldwide. That's a whole lot of entrepreneurs capitalizing on this platform's features. Now, let's talk revenue. Shopify's total revenue for the fiscal year 2023 was an impressive $20 billion. Yes, you heard it right, $20 billion. This showcases the financial powerhouse that Shopify has become. And it doesn't stop there. Shopify's growth rate is also worth mentioning. Between 2022 and 2023, the platform saw a growth rate of around 60%, a testament to its ever-increasing popularity. These numbers are not just digits on a screen, they represent the immense influence of Shopify. It's not just shaping the future of e-commerce, but also driving it forward, making online business more accessible and profitable for everyone. These astounding numbers show how Shopify is not just a platform, but a significant player in the global e-commerce market. Now, let's shift our focus to TikTok Shop, a new player in the e-commerce arena. This platform, emerging from the explosive popularity of TikTok, presents businesses with an exciting opportunity to reach customers in a vibrant and engaging environment. TikTok Shop isn't just a place to sell products, it's a place to tell stories, to captivate audiences, and to convert viewers into customers. With features like integrated shopping carts, in-app purchases, and product catalogs, it's built for seamless transactions. But the real charm of TikTok Shop lies in how it leverages the social aspect of TikTok. Businesses can create interactive content, collaborate with influencers, and tap into trends to drive sales. This creates a shopping experience that's not just transactional but also fun and engaging. The result? A shopping platform that's as entertaining as it is effective. In a short span, TikTok Shop has made a mark in the e-commerce industry, providing a fresh and interactive shopping experience. Both Shopify and TikTok Shop have their unique strengths in the e-commerce world. This comparison has taken us on a journey through the vast landscapes of these two platforms. Shopify, with its robust features and user-friendly interface, has proven to be a reliable platform for millions of businesses worldwide. We delved into its impressive statistics, highlighting its vast user base and impressive growth. It's a platform that has continually adapted to the ever-changing e-commerce landscape, making it an indispensable tool for any online business. Then we explored TikTok Shop, an innovative platform that has ingeniously merged social media and e-commerce. Its unique approach to online shopping has revolutionized the way consumers interact with products and services, providing an immersive and engaging shopping experience. In this digital age, both platforms have shown their significant contributions to the e-commerce industry. They've transformed the way we do business and how we shop online. In the end, whether it's Shopify with its vast user base and impressive growth or TikTok Shop with its innovative approach, the world of e-commerce is undoubtedly richer for their presence.